Alright, I'm excited to say that the Craftsman GT is back. And what I mean by that is I actually sold this tractor to a family member, and he used it for a year or so and decided that it was just too much for him. I mean, in regard that he didn't need the 3-bin bagger because his yard wasn't big enough to handle it. And so I told him, if you ever want to sell it back to me, then let me know. And he decided that he was going to give it back. So paid a little bit less than what I got for it to get her back, but here she is, running good, running strong. Still got the 3-bin bagger on the back, 46-inch mower deck with the 18.5 horsepower V-twin Kohler command engine. So just gave it a power washing because it did come back a little bit soiled. Otherwise it still runs good, and it's fall now, so we're gonna use the old GT here to clean up some leaves when the time comes. So just excited to have it back. I do think that the fellow that had it deleted the anti-backfire solenoid on the carburetor because it wasn't working anyway. But anyway, that's no big deal. Still fires right up. We'll set the parking brake. Choke. Let that run a little bit to warm up and dry the water off. She did come back with a little bit more rust on it than before, but that was to be expected. So maybe one day I'll get the hankering to really restore it and clean it up even better. But all right, there you go. Okay, let's quickly take a look at the model number. There is the model number of this machine, and you'll see here it is a 1998. So, and then the 3-bin bagger on the back. And let's see if I can get the glare. There we go, and you can see that is from 1999. So that's the 3-bin bagger. All right, cool. Thanks again for watching, and I'll link this video to the previous one from the same tractor.